Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am showing you my emergency stock up haul for the week. They have come down to about $2 a week now at this point. Prices are going faster than I thought they would. I've been keeping up with a few people on Instagram and some blogs that I follow, and I've been going through what they predict may be out of stock or where a price may skyrocket. It's really hard for me to trust anybody in the media or anybody in leadership in general, but when it comes down to it, I try and do as much research as possible. So I have been stocking up on items that make sense to me, that make sense to bring in to the family and all of that. If you're new here, hi, hello. My name is Tori. I am a wife, mother of two. We make videos 3 to 5 times a week all about prepping on a budget, food on a budget, life on a budget in general here in Northern Colorado. If you like that kind of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out a few of my videos before we comment, and just make sure you're letting me know you're new. I love to connect with each and every one of you. I think we have so many valuable ideas to offer each other, so make sure you connect with people down in the comments below. It's just a wonderful community that we have going on. So I'm going to flip you around, kind of show you what I got. It's a little different this week, and then I have a bit of a bonus. If you can find these items, awesome. If not, totally fine, but I thought I'd include it because it was part of the haul today. I shopped Target and King Soopers, which is Kroger here in Northern Colorado. I just went through the apps, looked for the sales, figured out what my family wanted and what we actually needed, and then I prepped it. So I am in no way, shape, or form telling you to go and clean out those shelves. If you do, that's you. You can totally do that, but I'm all about just prepping little by little. I think it's fair for everyone to do that. If you're not prepping, please start doing it, because I feel that it is super important. I'm going to stop talking your ear off, get you turned around, and show you what we got. Okay, the kids are watching a movie over here, so I apologize if you can hear that, but this is basically what we got. We do not have a lot of paper products down there, and we definitely needed some paper and like cups and plastic silverware and things like that. So that's what we ended up grabbing this week. We just got some plastic cups. We got a 300 count of paper plates. I got some wipes for the kids. I know these can dry out, but honestly, they will last us. And the Up and Up, the Target brand, went on sale 20% off right now on my Target app. It is June 15th, if you're watching this in the future, but it's really, they work just fine, and there's not any harsh like chemicals on it. We do cloth diaper, and sometimes we use reusable wipes, but honestly, for convenience sake, we do like using these cloth like baby wipes. And then some silverware. The 4th of July ones were on sale. That's why I grabbed those. There were no other large packs. I'm going to go over what I was told in June is kind of getting low. I hear we get our sugar, a lot of it actually from India. So sugar, they said to stock up on sugar. I'm not necessarily, I don't know why. I will link these pages that I follow down in the description box, and you can do your own research, but I've been following them for a while. They're kind people, and I feel like they have valuable information. So here are the sugars that I got. They only had the 4 pounds. I wanted the 10, but we actually don't really eat a lot of sugar, but when it came down to it, there's a lot that you can do with sugar. So I feel like it's important to have like a good pantry staple. The next thing that I was told was going to go out was Sriracha. Is this a necessity? No, but it just comes as like a really inexpensive way to flavor things. Could you make your own Sriracha if you grow your own peppers? Sure, but this is just a convenience thing, not necessary for your prepper pantry, just nice to have. Canned pumpkin, I heard that was going, and it's true, and they're going up in price. So these were $3.79 for this small 15-ounce can. Not really happy with that, but I can't see it going down anytime soon, so why not just grab them now? And then over here, We did get the Ragu Simply sauces. This was the cheapest one on the shelf at $1.67. So that was pretty good, better than the store-bought prices. So I just got the store brand prices. I just got 3 of those, and we like the Simply traditional because there's no added sugar and it is made with some good olive oil. So it's up to you. Yes, you can make your own. We like this one. It's totally fine to get that as well. Soy sauce, I just get the regular with I don't do low sodium because I just mix this with water whenever I am using it, and we use a lot of soy sauce, to be honest with you. And then I saw these apple spinach, apple blueberry beet. These will be great to put in our little bug out bags. That is linked in my emergency preparedness video, but these will be good for the kids just to kind of bring along with us, and in case we need to grab and go. And then I did get some chickpeas. If you're new here, I love chickpeas. I'm a plant-based eater. They're just nice to have on hand in the can. We have a bunch of them dry down there, so it's just easy to have them canned as well. And I just did a video and kind of dipped into my stock a bit, so it's nice to just prep it up. Over here, tomato sauce, just regular tomato sauce. There's a lot that you can do with that. We got 2 cans of that. They're 65 cents. I think that's a killer deal. And the chickpeas are 75 cents still. So, I mean, still amazing deals. A lot of people think Target is like super expensive and way overpriced. And I don't really agree with that all the time. There's just a lot at Target that people don't think about. So these items are part of that list. And then next up is going to be pasta. I remember when pasta was 88 cents, but it's not anymore. These were $1.67 as well. I'm sorry, $1.37. I got the penne, rotini, shells, and spaghetti. Sometimes I try and get whole grain. There was not any that I could see, which I don't know if that's a shortage or maybe they didn't put out any on the shelves, but that is it. This is what we got this week. And then I wanted to show you just a little thing that I waited for to be on sale, and that is over here. I kind of talked about it in a video before, but I waited for the deals of the day at Target, and these, let me get you turned around here. Okay, so yeah, I got these laundry baskets. I waited for the deal of the day on my Target app, and it comes down to 50% off. So I got 2 of these, bringing them down to $2.50 for one of them. Sure, you could go to the Goodwill, but honestly, I think they'd be a little bit more pricier, and you risk going and them not having any. So I got 2 of these, and then I waited for the party decorations to go deal of the day, 50% off. I don't know which day they give certain deals every single day, so you have to download the app. You don't have to have the red card. It's free. I don't have a red card, so yeah, I suggest you do it because you can get a lot of coupons, and then you just add it to your account and then type in your phone number when you're checking out if you're ever in the store, and then it will give you those deals back. So I think it's a good deal, and you accumulate cash that you can apply back onto your purchases, which is really awesome. So I waited for party supplies to go on sale and got some burlap. Could you go to Joann's Fabric or wherever and get some burlap? Sure, but this was $3. I don't know how many yards it is. It's a table runner, essentially. I mean, that's what it is, but I have no specs for you. No specs. It's definitely not a yard. Say maybe a half of a yard, but the goal is to put this inside of the laundry basket, fill it with dirt, and then I'm going to plant my cabbage in there. Do you have to plant cabbage in there? No, but if you're new here, hi Deli, can you say hello? Hi. Hello. We have quite a few veggies out there, and we're kind of like running out of room. So I am gonna do the cabbage in here, but like I said, you could put really anything in here. Any vessel that I can get my hands on, I like to do. We have really sandy soil out here, so we can't really just dig into the ground and plant veggies as much as we want to. Could we put some dirt on top of the ground? Yes, but at this point in our growing season, I just need to get some of these veggies in so we can harvest them in time and enjoy them. So this year we are gonna do some dehydrating, right? We are gonna freeze some of our foods, and this is my other one, why? And sometimes we can, but not all the time. So we are gonna get that going. I also have a clothesline that I'm getting going as well, save some electricity and hang the clothes. Yeah, but it's super windy out here in Colorado, so we have a lot going on today. I know we kind of ventured off the stock up, but if you're still here, I'm happy. Yeah, we are gonna head outside and I will show you the finished cabbage plants if you wanna stick around that long. All right, here is how everything came out. All I did was just take some rocks to get it sturdy, put the burlap in, filled it with dirt, and then move the plants. And then that's red cabbage. And then over here is the regular. I ran out of rocks, so I used a box, and that was about it. I think that's all I was gonna show you in this video. I did do some marigolds in there to companion plant. And then I did some zinnias with the peppers. The roses I need to harvest. I know it's a prepper pantry video, but I mean, medicinal plants and things are part of my prepper pantry because they have many uses. So stay tuned for those videos if you ever want to check it out. These are ready to harvest, for instance, whereas this beautiful one is not ready yet. But I love roses. I just wish they didn't leave as fast as they did. Alrighty, everyone. I just had a seat next to these beautiful roses, but I am going to end the video here. I hope this video inspired you to prep on some items for the month of June. Like I said, sugar was one of them, Sriracha, and I forget the third already, but yeah, stock up while you can. Those prices I feel like are gonna be either staying the same or going up. Like I said, I can't predict the future. I am just coming to you with real life, what I see in the stores. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay safe out there, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.